चेअरपर्सन
I am saying now what MLA is doing.
एक मिनिट चेअरपर्सन आज मिटिंग कितें जाला आनी कितें इलिगल इलिगल काय लिगल हे तुमकां खबर नाशिल्लें हें चलता तें काम
See, meeting हे कांय फिरूंक ना. We took running of this council from 1st April. 6th April our special meeting was there. In this parade, they have done this analysis from the town and country planning. Finally, I was going before that earlier administrator. Okay. Then once the file went out, that doesn't come back to council. Now we can see. Now we can see that illegal cutting is going on. We also say nobody can deny it. Everyone can see. Everyone can see. I also cannot deny it is not going on. But it is whether we have to verify as per the plan given to them. Whether it is lying within the plan or outside the plan. We just presume that it is outside the plan and that's why illegal. So in that direction I was just speaking with the CO that we have to issue the stop order and report the file to CCP or BBT collector.
When you will issue when you will issue stop order?
See, this I am just asking her. Then MLA came and she went out. So it was stopped, not completing. Okay. So I again complete because all councillors are there, and I'll try to get that stop order over the illegal work which is not approved by town and country plan. See, over the illegal work which is not approved by town and country plan. This for that work we are going to issue the stop order immediately, and we request write a letter to town and country planning and also the deputy director because of some of the seal cutting comes under their jurisdiction. So come and visit, inspect and take the necessary action, also guide the council what this will be our step.